Do I have to tell the short-term disability carrier or plan that I'm collecting state disability benefits? States like New York, New Jersey, and California have state disability benefits through their state disability system that will pay disability benefits for a period of time if you become disabled and unable to work. So the question becomes, can you collect both, and what is your legal obligation to tell the carrier or plan that you have applied for or getting these benefits? The answer to that obviously starts with the disability policy or plan. So you need to get that out so that you understand what your legal obligations are. There are two considerations in play, in my view, in answering this question. First, is there a policy, plan, or provision that requires you to cooperate with the carrier or plan? And if so, is there an offset provision and other income provisions that allow the carrier plan to reduce your benefits by the receipt of your state disability benefits? So let's start out with question number one. Most policies or plans have a duty to cooperate, and that means that you have to give them this information if they ask. But I will also tell you that there is also generally a provision in the short-term disability policy or plan that says you generally can't collect both, or that one's primary and then the second will kick in once you've exhausted your benefits. In other words, you've got to collect your state disability benefits, and either you can't collect short-term disability benefits until those state benefits are paid out, or sometimes there is an offset of the state disability benefits on the short-term disability benefits, and sometimes it's the other way around. So obviously, it's really important that you understand your state's disability benefits and what your policy or plan has to say in terms of the offset provision. Now, again, this is state-specific, and if you have any questions about what you need to be doing, contact me at 727-894-3188. I will tell you if there's a duty to cooperate provision. They may ask you for a copy of your state disability application, the material you sent, a copy of the checks or deposits that you're getting, and maybe even ask you to sign a release. If you aren't going to cooperate, that in and of itself means that they can deny your claim or terminate your benefits because you didn't cooperate, regardless of how disabled you are. That's called the duty to cooperate. And again, the offset will depend on the terms of your policy or plan. Give me a call at 727-894-3188 if you have any questions about the disability carrier or plan's right to reduce your short-term disability benefits by the receipt of state disability benefits. 727-894-3188.